Is the time really coming when the world moves beyond lithium batteries? For years, the entire electric car industry has depended on lithium batteries. But now, reports suggest that CATL, the world's largest battery manufacturer, is working on a new generation battery that could not only become an alternative to lithium, but also change the direction of the EV industry. The biggest question is, what makes this new battery so special? Will it be cheaper than today's batteries? Will it offer more driving range? Will it charge faster? And if that happens, what impact could it have on Tesla, BYD, and other major EV companies? Could electric cars become much more affordable and easier to own in the coming years? Or is there also a challenge behind this technology that very few people know about? In today's video, we'll answer all the biggest questions about CATL's new battery in simple and easy-to-understand language. We'll also find out why this battery technology could shake up the EV market. But before we move further into the video, make sure to subscribe to the channel so you never miss videos like this. After all, what is the biggest problem with lithium batteries? Today, when people talk about electric cars, the first thing that comes to mind is the lithium battery. Almost every major EV company is using this technology. Whether it's Tesla, BYD, or other manufacturers, most electric vehicles are built around lithium batteries. But as the demand for EVs continues to grow, some challenges related to lithium are becoming more noticeable. The first issue is the availability of lithium. Lithium is not found everywhere. It is mined in large quantities in only a few countries. Mining it is also not easy. It takes a lot of time, money, and resources. If the supply is disrupted for any reason, it can affect the entire battery industry. That is why many companies are now looking for alternatives that are easier to source and can provide a more stable supply over the long term. The second major issue is battery cost. Even today, the battery is the most expensive part of an electric car. If the battery is expensive, the overall price of the car also stays high. That is why many people want to buy an EV but hesitate because of the price. If battery costs come down in the future, electric cars could become more affordable for a much larger number of people. Now, let's talk about safety. It is true that today's lithium batteries are much safer than they were in the past. Companies have also added many safety systems to them. Even so, if a battery suffers serious damage, has a major manufacturing defect, or faces very unusual conditions, incidents such as fires can still happen. These cases are not very common, but they also cannot be completely ignored. At the same time, the demand for EVs is increasing around the world. The more electric vehicles are produced, the more lithium will be needed. Meeting future demand while keeping the supply stable could become a major challenge for companies. That is why many leading battery manufacturers are no longer relying only on lithium. They are also working quickly on new battery technologies. Their goal is not just to introduce something new, but to develop batteries that can provide better solutions for challenges such as cost, supply, and safety. CATL's new battery technology. Now the question is, what new battery technology is CATL working on that is getting so much attention? First, it is important to understand that the company has not said lithium will disappear completely. Instead, CATL is focusing on developing new battery chemistries that can be used for different needs. This means that in the future, we may see several battery technologies working side by side instead of relying on just one type. Among them, the most talked about technology is the sodium-ion battery. The biggest reason is that it uses sodium instead of lithium. Sodium is available in large amounts on Earth, and in many cases, it is considered easier to obtain. That is why many experts believe that if this technology is successfully developed on a large scale, it could make battery supply much more stable in the future. However, this does not mean that sodium-ion batteries are better than lithium-ion batteries in every way. Both have their own strengths and limitations. For example, lithium-ion batteries still offer higher energy density, which means they can store more energy in the same battery size. On the other hand, sodium-ion batteries are being seen as an advantage because of their lower cost, better raw material availability, and improved stability in some conditions. That is why many companies are developing both technologies for different applications. CATL is not limited to sodium-ion batteries. The company is also researching several other battery chemistries and next-generation battery solutions. Its goal is to understand which type of battery will be the most useful for different vehicles and different needs in the coming years. Small city cars, commercial vehicles, energy storage systems, and long-range EVs all have different requirements. So, one solution cannot fit every situation. When it comes to manufacturing, building a new battery in a laboratory is only the first step. The real challenge is producing millions of units with the same quality. That requires new production lines, testing, quality control, and a strong supply chain. That is why every new battery technology takes time before it reaches the market. CATL has been investing in battery research for many years. The company's goal is not just to showcase new technology, but to develop batteries that can be produced on a large scale and easily adopted by vehicle manufacturers. That is why it first tests the technology on a small scale, then works with partner companies to evaluate it in real-world conditions, and only after that moves toward commercial production. So, it would be too early to say that a new battery will immediately replace lithium. But one thing is clear. Companies like CATL are developing new alternatives with future needs in mind, and these technologies could make the battery industry stronger in the years ahead. Now, the biggest question is, if CATL's new battery technology reaches the market, will it really bring a major improvement in performance? The answer is not that simple because a battery's performance is not decided by just one factor. It depends on several things, including driving range, charging speed, battery life, and everyday usability. First, let's talk about driving range. Even today, the first question most people ask before buying an EV is how far it can travel on a single charge. If the new battery is able to deliver higher energy density, it could store more energy in the same battery size. That could help increase the driving range. However, this will also depend on the battery chemistry and the design of the vehicle. Next comes fast charging. Many new EVs are already charging much faster than before, and battery companies are continuing to work in the same direction. If the new technology can support faster charging without having a major impact on battery life, it would be a big advantage for users. But fast charging alone is not enough. It also requires the right charging infrastructure. Another important factor is cold weather performance. Many batteries lose some of their performance in low temperatures. That is why companies are trying to develop battery chemistries that can deliver better and more stable performance in different weather conditions. Along with that, battery life, or cycle life, also plays an important role. If a battery can handle more charge and discharge cycles while maintaining good performance for many years, it could also reduce maintenance costs for vehicle owners. How different can this battery be in terms of safety? Now, let's talk about the aspect that probably gets the most attention, and that is battery safety. Whenever someone thinks about buying an electric car for the first time, one question often comes to mind. If the battery gets damaged or the vehicle is involved in an accident, will the battery remain safe? That is why battery companies today are focusing not only on range and charging, but also on safety. First, let's understand what thermal runaway is. It is a condition where, for some reason, the battery temperature starts rising rapidly, and if it is not controlled in time, it can cause damage. However, modern EV batteries are equipped with several safety systems that monitor the battery continuously and, if necessary, can shut the system down before the situation becomes serious.